this giant robot train comes to us, then we're doomed.
Yeah, 'cause we're too small to die. And to be scrapped worst of all.
I really don't get this robot train trying to take over our railway, I suppose. We'll be fine, Duncan. We'll have to start our show until it comes sometime tonight.
Sparrow's right. And even there are 3 Charleses that'll wreck our own railway too, by the look of it.
But the 3 Charleses will be coming at us any minute now.
I know, right? He was a good friend to us. Come on, we're gonna die. Hey, wait up, come on.
Run, fast, go!
Get a medic. Quick, kill those guys.